Hey guys, I'm Jason, Product Manager for e-conolight. Today we're going to talk about some of our most popular products. The energy-efficient C-Lite LED flat panel is now your go-to fixture for fast installations and over 100,000 hours of maintenance-free operation, making it perfect for offices, education, commercial, and industrial applications. This series comes DLC standard, so you know you're getting a top quality product that won't leave you or your client hanging. Those fast installations I was talking about? The C-Lite LED flat panel features a pre-installed driver in a low-profile, powder-coated aluminum frame that makes installation a breeze. And because of its sleek frame, it's able to fit into a low-clearance drop ceiling. It's IC rated for direct contact with insulation, plus its precision-engineered acrylic lens and PMMA diffuser prevent hot spots, shadows, and glare. The result is beautiful, uniform lighting that can reduce headaches and eye strain. The C-Lite LED flat panel comes in multiple models, including a premium option with even higher efficiency. Each model is available in 3 different sizes: 2x2, 2x4, or 1x4. If you need it in 3500, 4000, or 5000 Kelvin, we got all 3 options. And depending on the model, it delivers anywhere from 3250 to 5000 lumens. But don't take my word for it, order yours today.